order to identify the municipal government's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, we conducted workshops where we elicited inputs from the LGU staff. We also used these workshops for PEST and GAP analysis. We identified the following strengths. Farming is one of the major sources of livelihood. Commerce and trading in the area is active. Forest lands have been protected, and the environment in the locality has no risks from destruction. Solid waste management has been intensively handled by the local government unit, and wood-based industry is the major product. The municipal government faces the following challenges. HRD to all offices, delayed preparation of payroll due to unavailability of signatories, and unsynchronized submission of daily airtime records. Treasury to accounting, long process of recording and preparation of reports. Other departments to accounting in regard to payroll vouchers, incorrect computations of deductions, and incomplete or unsigned supporting documents. Treasury to accounting, late submission of reports. Budget office to all departments, lack of allotment by respective agency. Police department needs 7 policemen to meet the standard requirements, and human resource management plan needs to address manpower requirements. While these challenges present difficulties, they also present opportunities to improve operations. Improvement of communication between the LGU and various stakeholders within the enterprise through a standardized vocabulary. Focus on the strategic use of emerging technologies to better manage information and consistently propagate use of those technologies within the enterprise. Provision of clear views that help communicate the complexity of large systems and facilitation of management of a complex IT environment. Improvement in consistency, accuracy, timeliness, integrity, quality, availability, access, and sharing of IT-managed information across interconnected systems. Design, implementation, and deployment of a centralized, computerized payroll system. And centralization and computerization of human resource management to enable more efficient recruiting and staffing. Still, the government faces the following threats. Next year's elections will lead to changes in leadership. Implementation of the proposed system will change the manner in which many employees perform their jobs. These changes will be positive, but even in the best planned and executed projects, people resist change. Our first recommendation is the creation of a project team. The steering committee will be composed of a project director and project manager from the development team, and the project sponsor and the project manager from the municipal government. The development team will consist of the following: a business analyst and a programmer who will take care of coding of the computer software, and a documentation team that will prepare the user and technical documentation. Our second recommendation is the development of the following computer systems: executive management information system, online; statistical reporting system; integrated financial management and information system; human resources online; automated attendance monitoring payroll system, which is a component of HR online; integrated records management database and information system; and official email accounts for municipality employees. The executive MIS will address the needs of the municipal mayor, the municipal administrator, and the municipal planning and development coordinating officer. These officers need to make timely and relevant decisions. They need to manage the projects of the municipal government. They need to monitor the financial capability of the municipal government. They need to administer the personnel of the municipal government. They need the demographics of the municipality as a whole and of its component barangays. They need to disseminate information and distribute official documents. The executive MIS and statistical reporting systems will provide access to all necessary data. The executive MIS will provide for online access to all necessary data anytime and anywhere. The executive MIS will feature a standardized reporting system for easy data retrieval and interpretation. The integrated financial management and information system will seamlessly integrate financial data from the different offices into an appropriate relational database. It will then feed summaries to the executive MIS for consumption by top municipal management. The Integrated Financial Management and Information System, together with the Integrated Records Management Database and Information System, will provide the Sanggunian, that is, the municipal legislature, online access to real-time budget, financial, and other relevant information to aid in the enactment of ordinances and other legislation for municipal application. The Human Resources Online System will facilitate general administration of personnel. It includes check-ins in designated workstations in barangays if travel is within the municipality. It will ease personnel records management and related services through template-driven entry for better data management. It will facilitate personnel administration, including promotion, merit, and rewards through online access to relevant personnel records and references. It will streamline recruitment, engagement, and termination through technology-driven information dissemination. It will rationalize compensation and benefits administration through electronic submission of reports and other documents for compliance to national agencies and offices, the Government Service Insurance System, Bureau of Internal Revenue, Civil Service Commission, Department of Interior and Local Government, and others. The Automated Attendance Monitoring and Payroll System will automate the input of the necessary payroll parameters, mainly hours worked, with less human intervention for data integrity. It will also automate the computation of the payroll summary, and other reports. The Statistical Reporting System, aside from its role in providing data to upper municipal government management, will also consolidate and reconcile data from various sources. It will also extract information from offices about issues and prioritize according to needs. It will compile and retrieve declassified reports and minutes of meetings. It will record feedback from the public for better coordination and faster resolution. We conduct a pest analysis, first tackling the strategic management human resources system. We conduct a pest analysis, first tackling the strategic human resources system. A cycle for an employee takes its input the following: job analysis, job design, human resource planning, recruitment, and selection. From the input, the retained process entails the following: training and development, compensation, job assessment, performance appraisal, health and safety, and labor relations. The output occurs at termination of employment, which could be one of the following: retirement, transfer, resignation, dismissal, or death. From the output, the cycler starts at the input for the replacement of the employee. We next take a look at the main factors for each of the dimensions of PEST. For the political dimension, the main factors are the following: regulatory changes, development rate of parties during early years, regional and international political crisis, power shift rate between major parties of the country, and political shift rate in the relevant industry. For the economic dimension, the main factors are the following: inflation rate, investment rate both internal and foreign, savings rate, employment rate, gross domestic product GDP, economic growth rate, status of industrial, agricultural, and service sectors in the economy, and development trend of imports and exports. For the technological dimension, the main factors are the following: setup trend of technological organization, inventions and innovations rate, legislation and technology, mechanization trend in the country, automation trend in IT, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and quantum technologies. Pest analysis is generally based on secondary data sources such as newspapers, periodicals, current books, trade organizations, government agencies, industry analysts, and financial analysts. The unique characteristic of this research in proportion to other research is that neither data are gathered from primary sources, and for this reason, its reliability is high. By this method, we can imagine a more realistic picture of the future of the organization, and based on this, the organization can make better use of environmental opportunities and mitigate threats. We present the results of gap analysis on 5 offices. First, the Human Resources Management Division, whose mandate is to ensure a professional, competent, and motivated manpower complement for the municipal government of Talagogan. The following are its first 3 functions: recruit prospective applicants, making use of diverse sources such as walk-in applicants, list of eligible casual employees, and others. Conduct initial screening and evaluation of job applicants. After initial screening, submit to Personnel Selection Board of the municipal government the list of qualified applicants, and determine if successful applicant is physically and mentally fit to perform the work. These 3 functions require an applications monitoring and management system. The next 3 functions are as follows: offer orientation to new employees, develop and implement employee welfare and benefits programs, and implement various programs for motivating and inspiring government employees to achieve excellent performance and gain satisfaction in serving the public. Some of these programs are the Merit Selection Plan, Performance Evaluation System, training programs whether in-house or external including foreign, praise, scholarship opportunities, and special task force assignments. These functions can be served by an employee career development, management, and monitoring system. The last 3 functions are the following: ensures an atmosphere conducive to good supervisor-employee relations, oversees the proper handling and safekeeping of its records, handles various activities relevant to retirement benefit claims of municipal government personnel. These functions will benefit from the above-mentioned employee management and monitoring system. Next, the Office of the Municipal Treasurer, whose mandate is to take custody and exercise proper management of the municipal funds. The functions of the office are the following: advise the mayor, the Sanggunian, and other local government and national offices concerned regarding the disposition of local government funds and on such other matters related to public finance. A collections deposit system will facilitate this function. Take charge of the disbursement of all municipal funds and such other funds, the custody of which may be entrusted to the office by law or other competent authority. The disbursements liquidation system will facilitate this function. Inspect private, commercial, and industrial establishments within the jurisdiction of the municipality in relation to the implementation of tax ordinances. Maintain and update the tax information system of the municipality. The last 2 functions can be served by a tax information system, and exercise technical supervision over all treasury offices of component barangays. Next, the Office of the Budget Officer, whose mandate is to assist the municipal mayor in the preparation of the budget and during budget hearings. The functions of the office are the following: prepare forms, orders, and circulars embodying instructions on budgetary and appropriation matters for the signature of the mayor. Review and consolidate the budget proposals of the different departments and offices of the municipal government. A budget proposal system will facilitate this function. Study and evaluate budgetary implications of proposed legislation and submit relevant comments and recommendations. Submit periodic budgetary reports to the Department of Budget and Management. A budgetary report system will facilitate this function. Coordinate with the treasurer, accountant, and the planning and development coordinator for the purposes of budgeting. A registry of appropriation, allotments, and obligations, or RAAO, will facilitate this function. Assist the Sanggunian in reviewing the approved budgets of component barangays. The aforementioned RAAO will also facilitate this function. Coordinate with the Planning and Development Coordinator in the formulation of the Municipal Development Plan, a database-driven municipal development plan will facilitate this function.